Hello, health enthusiasts, and welcome to Nourish Your DNA, the gathering place for those seeking to understand the intricate dance of wellness. This channel is dedicated to the exploration of health, with a keen focus on the fascinating world of DNA and its impact on brain health. As we journey together, we will unravel the mysteries of essential molecules like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. Today, we delve into the role of these fundamental building blocks in DNA and brain health. Our DNA, the blueprint of life, plays a crucial role in our brain health. This intricate code of life, spiraled within each cell of our body, is not just about our hair color or height. It significantly influences our brain's development, function, and aging process. Let's start with brain development. From the moment of conception, our DNA starts to guide the formation of our brain. It instructs cells to differentiate, proliferate, and migrate to their precise locations, shaping the complex architecture of the brain. As we grow, our DNA continues to guide the process, enabling the formation of billions of neurons and trillions of synaptic connections that make us capable of thought, memory, and emotion. Moving on to brain function, our DNA is a key player. It codes for proteins that facilitate communication between neurons, maintain the health of these neurons, and manage the brain's response to environmental stimuli. These proteins, in turn, influence our cognition, mood, and behavior. If there are errors in our DNA, it can lead to functional impairments, such as learning difficulties or mood disorders. Lastly, let's consider aging. As we age, our DNA can accumulate damage due to various factors such as environmental toxins, stress, and natural cellular processes. This damage can impact the brain's function, leading to cognitive decline and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But here's the fascinating part. While we can't change our genetic code, we can influence how it's expressed. This is where epigenetics comes into play, the study of changes in gene expression that do not involve alterations to the underlying DNA sequence. Certain lifestyle factors like diet, exercise, and stress management can positively influence our DNA's expression, potentially enhancing our brain health. Understanding the role of DNA in brain health can help us take proactive steps to enhance our cognitive abilities. It's not just about playing the genetic hand we're dealt, but also about how we play it. Through understanding and nurturing our DNA, we can strive to maintain a healthy brain throughout our lives. Nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids are essential molecules for DNA and brain health. Let's break this down and explore each one. Starting with nucleotides, these are the building blocks of DNA and RNA. They're composed of a sugar, a phosphate, and a nitrogenous base. When we talk about DNA, we often visualize a twisted ladder, right? Well, the rungs of that ladder are pairs of nucleotides. In terms of brain health, nucleotides play a critical role in cell replication, allowing for the growth and repair of neural tissues. Next up, we have oligopeptides. These are short chains of amino acids, usually between 2 and 20 in length. Oligopeptides are crucial in the world of proteins. They can act as hormones, regulating bodily functions, and as neurotransmitters, facilitating communication between nerve cells. For instance, endorphins, our body's natural painkillers, are oligopeptides. They also assist in memory and learning processes, thereby playing a vital role in brain health. Last but certainly not least, we encounter amino acids. These are the stars of the show when it comes to protein synthesis. Our body uses 20 different amino acids to build proteins, and 9 of these are essential, meaning we must get them from our diet. Amino acids are fundamental to brain health because they're the precursors to neurotransmitters. For example, the amino acid tryptophan is a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of well-being and happiness. So when we talk about nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, we're not just throwing around big words. We're talking about the very essence of our DNA and our brain health. These molecules are like the backstage crew in a theater production. You might not see them, but without them, the show simply wouldn't go on. By ensuring a healthy intake of these molecules, we can support our DNA and brain health. Imuregen is a phenomenal product containing nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. This is not just a catchy phrase, it's a testament to the power of science and nature combined. Imuregen is a beacon of hope for those who wish to enhance their brain health and memory by supporting the very roots of our existence, our DNA. So, let's delve a bit deeper into the benefits of imuregen and how it works its magic. Imuregen is a unique formulation that harnesses the power of these essential molecules. Nucleotides, the building blocks of our DNA, are crucial for cell growth and repair. They are the architects of our genetic blueprint, ensuring that each cell in our body is a perfect copy of the original. Oligopeptides, on the other hand, are small protein chains that play an essential role in various bodily functions. They assist in the synthesis of hormones and enzymes, help transport substances across cell membranes, and even support our immune system. They're like the diligent workers, meticulously executing the plans laid out by the nucleotides. And of course, we can't forget about amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. They are involved in almost every bodily function, from building and repairing tissues to supporting brain function. Amino acids are like the fuel that powers our biological machinery. Together, these three components form the core of imuregen. But how do they support our brain health? Well, by providing the essential building blocks for our cells, they help to maintain and repair our brain cells, promoting healthy brain function and memory. They also help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that have been linked to cognitive decline. In essence, imuregen is more than just a supplement. It's a comprehensive approach to brain health, targeting the root causes of cognitive decline at a cellular level. It's a potent cocktail of nature's best designed to nourish our DNA, promote brain health, and ultimately enhance our memory and cognition. Imuregen is a powerful tool for those seeking to nourish their DNA and enhance their brain health. So, why not give your brain the support it deserves with imuregen? It's time to unlock the power within you. The health of our DNA and brain has far-reaching implications. This statement is more than a catchy phrase, it's a scientific truth. DNA is not just the blueprint of our physical characteristics, but also plays a critical role in brain function. When our DNA is healthy, our brain health follows suit, leading to remarkable benefits for our overall well-being. By maintaining the health of our DNA, we are setting the stage for optimal brain function. This is because DNA is responsible for the production of proteins, including those that are crucial for brain health. These proteins help in the formation of neurons, the basic units of the brain. A healthy DNA means a steady production of these proteins, leading to a robust and resilient brain. Now, let's delve into the benefits of maintaining DNA and brain health. One of the most significant advantages is improved memory. Memory isn't just about remembering facts or figures. It's about maintaining the richness of our experiences, our learnings, and our relationships. A healthy brain supported by healthy DNA can store and retrieve memories more effectively, making our lives more meaningful and fulfilling. Another key benefit is enhanced concentration. In our fast-paced world, the ability to focus is more important than ever. Healthy DNA and brain health can improve our attention span, helping us stay engaged in tasks, absorb more information, and ultimately perform better in our daily activities. But the benefits don't stop there. DNA and brain health are also linked to mood regulation, stress resilience, and even creativity. So, by focusing on the health of our DNA and brain, we are not just improving our memory and concentration, but also cultivating a more balanced, resilient, and creative mind. These benefits are not just for the young, but also for the old. DNA and brain health are key to aging gracefully, allowing us to retain our cognitive abilities and continue to live active, fulfilling lives even in our golden years. By nourishing our DNA and brain, we can enhance our quality of life. This is more than a promise, it's a commitment to ourselves and our future. To sum up, DNA and brain health are intrinsically linked, and essential molecules play a key role in maintaining them. Throughout our discussion, we've delved into the importance of these molecular powerhouses, nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, and their critical role in enhancing memory and concentration. We've taken a journey through the intricate world of DNA and how it is deeply connected to our brain's functioning. It's been fascinating to explore how these essential molecules contribute to the health of our DNA, thereby influencing our brain's performance. Our exploration led us to the unique product, imuregen. Packed with these essential molecules, imuregen stands as a phenomenal tool in our quest for improved brain health. It's a testament to the power of science and nutrition working in harmony. Remember, our bodies are complex systems, and when we nourish them with the right molecules, we not only enhance our physical health, but also our mental prowess. The power to improve our memory and concentration lies within us, and with the aid of products like imuregen, we can give our DNA the nourishment it needs to function at its best. For more information on imuregen, please see the description below. Thank you for joining us on Nourish Your DNA today. Until next time, stay healthy.